Hi there, Paulo here. The fastest and most responsive website builder that anybody can use, especially you, is BUILDERALL CHEETAH. And in this video, I'll show you what the personal button on it can do. Before we proceed, intro. This is the BUILDERALL back office. BUILDERALL is an all-in-one digital marketing platform that anybody can use even without learning any programming and technical skills. You can build websites on it, sales funnels, you can use it for email marketing, e-commerce, SEO reports, chatbots, which is a powerful lead generating tool. You can even make online courses on it. You can also do copywriting, CRM, and yes, you can also build websites using WordPress. Let's jump into BUILDERALL CHEETAH. If you want to learn more or check on the other tools, because it has approximately around 40 tools for digital marketing. So if you want to check on that, I'll just put the link on the description of this video. So inside BUILDERALL CHEETAH, these are the websites I've made. So it's all for demos, but for this video, let's go ahead and create a new one. Create new site, demo 6, demo 6, click on save. Now to work on that specific website, just click on edit site. So go to demo 6, that's the name, click on edit site. And this will show us all the pages on that specific website that we're working on. For this one, we have the home page, so let's go in. Gonna go to the editor so we can edit that specific page. To add a new page, there's another video on it, so please do check the playlist at the end of this video. I'll also put the checklist at the description of this video. So this is it. We have the blank page so far. Just to show you, by the way, as I said earlier on the intro, this is the fastest and most responsive website builder anybody can use. Why? When you build websites, it will show you a desktop or computer view of it and a mobile or phone view. So let's add some panels real quick. Add panel. Want to add this one. So for the content, actually, when you're making websites, you don't have to think of the content on how it would look like or the design. It's already here. All you have to do is choose the design or panel to your preference. So we have that one. Also, I want to add a header to it. So let's say this header, but the header is at the bottom. So I want it to go up. It's a header. It should be on top. So what I do is just left click on it. It will show a mini toolbar. Click on the arrow going up. Let's check, and it's already up. So on the mini toolbar, you can edit. There's an arrow to go up, to go down, and to duplicate it. Even hide and crash or delete it. So let's go ahead and add another panel. Let's say pricing table. I'm gonna add this, check on it. Let's add another panel, which is testimonials. Let's check. this one, so it's there, and add in another panel which is a footer. This one. So the footer is here. So again, as I said earlier, when you make websites, this is for the desktop view. Let's check how it would look like. So when you click on preview, on the upper right, preview, it will show you how it would look like on the live or published website. But this is how it would look like on a desktop or on a computer. How about on the phone? Normally, website builders, you need to make adjustments. But let's check with BUILDERALL CHEETAH. So what I do is click on the phone beside the computer, and boom, it's done. No adjustments needed unless you prefer to do so, which of course you can do, make any adjustments to your own preference. But so far, this will save you a lot of time. Because it's real time, everything is already fixed. See? So that's how fast and responsive this website builder is. Now let's say, for example, for the personal button, let's go ahead and add a panel. And yes, you can start everything from scratch. All you have to do is click on the blank panel. Let's go down to the bottom. So here's the blank panel. I want this to go up. Just click on the arrow going up. Click on the arrow going up. I want this next to the header. Click on the arrow going up. And one more. So we have the header and our blank panel. Inside the blank panel, I want to add some elements. I want to add an image. This is drag and drop, so drag and drop. See? And I want a button on it. Add elements. Button. Let's choose a button here. So I would want this one. The image bigger. Alright. And the button, we'll make it big, a bit bigger also. As you can see, it all depends on you on how you would want it to look. Now from here, let's say for example, I want to personalize it, meaning I want to be able to save, because these are designs or as good as templates by the platform. But if you want to make something from this one, let's say for the background of this one, let's say you want to make any changes to it or any customizations, so you want to personalize it and then save it so you can use it on any of the other websites you'll be doing. Just click on advanced, click here. Let's say I want to save the element, let's say my button, save as default element. Just click on that, it's save element, and then when you go to personal, okay, from here you go to personal. Don't show again, I don't want that. Okay, so we have the settings, the page, and the personal. Under personal, you have your saved panel and saved elements. So for this one, it's the element. There's the button that I made. Drag and drop it here. See? If you have a panel that's saved, alright, just click on the arrow, go click on personal, click on the panel. So your specific panel, so let's say for example, this is a design by BUILDERALL, okay, from BUILDERALL CHEETAH itself. But if you want to make a template of your own design, you can save it And if you want to save it, just click on it, go to Advanced again, Advanced, Save Element, type the name or your description for it, save as default element, and then if you want to access it, just go to Personal and Panel, and it will be here. Just like for the elements, it will be here. So just the same. Okay? So did I have to use any encoding or programming or technical skills? No, I did not. I don't have to. As long as I can copy, paste, edit, and save, I will be able to use the platform. Alright? So that's about it for this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you think this would help other people, please do share it. If you want to learn more, just subscribe and click the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it or even make a video out of it so I share the knowledge to everybody. Just like that, the video's over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go.